Hello everyone, welcome back to Machines Visit. But before we begin, here's something that might completely change the way you look at your next salad. Every single year, American farmers harvest a staggering 7.9 billion pounds of lettuce. Sound impressive, right? But here's the twist. This crisp green leaf sitting quietly on your plate isn't just healthy food. It's part of a massive, high-pressure system you probably never think about. Packed with vitamin A, vitamin K, and fiber, lettuce fuels millions of families worldwide. But the journey it takes to reach you, it's far more intense than it looks. Today, you're not just watching a farming video. You're stepping inside a process most people never see. From endless fields where every leaf is handled with almost surgical precision, to powerful machines that move faster than you'd expect, and factories that operate like something out of the future. By the time this lettuce reaches you, it's been through a journey that's both fascinating and a little unsettling. So stay with us, because what you're about to see might surprise you. Right now, we're standing in Salinas Valley, California, often called the golden lettuce capital of the world. The weather here? Almost too perfect. Mild temperatures, rich soil. It's like nature designed this place specifically for lettuce. Within just 65 to 75 days, these fragile leaves grow from nothing into something that feeds millions. And when spring arrives, everything changes. Farmers don't slow down, they shift into full speed. This is where the real action begins. But here's what most people don't realize. This isn't just traditional farming anymore. Yes, experience matters, but machines now dominate the fields. And not small ones, massive, moving systems that carry entire teams across acres of land. From a distance, it looks almost unreal. Rows of green stretching endlessly, interrupted only by these high-tech machines gliding through them like silent giants. It's agriculture, but on another level. These machines don't just harvest. They practically run the entire operation. Designed with extreme precision, they cut, collect, clean, and even begin packaging, all right there in the field. Lettuce heads are gently lifted onto soft conveyor belts, moving steadily toward workers standing on the machine. And here's where things get intense. Every second counts. Workers quickly scan each piece, removing anything damaged or imperfect. Only the best survives this process. Everything else? Rejected instantly. As the process continues, the lettuce moves along conveyors into containers on trailers rolling beside the machine. No waste of time, no delays, everything is synchronized. But for salad leaves, things get even more advanced. Specialized machines slice lettuce directly at the base using razor-sharp precision blades. The leaves are separated instantly, then carefully spread across conveyor systems designed to minimize even the slightest damage. Soft brushes and air jets remove dirt and debris in seconds. It's fast, controlled, and almost too efficient. Now here's something interesting, and most people never notice it. Lettuce isn't just green. There are two main types, green and red. The difference isn't just visual, it's chemical. Green lettuce gets its color from chlorophyll, while red lettuce contains anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that give it that deep reddish tone. They may look simple, but each leaf carries a different nutritional profile and flavor. Your salad? It's more complex than it seems. And despite all this technology, here's the surprising part. Hand harvesting hasn't disappeared. In fact, it's still widely used. But now, it works side by side with machines. Farmers move quickly through the fields, cutting each lettuce head with specialized knives. There's no room for mistakes. Each piece is placed carefully onto conveyor belts, where the process continues. It's a mix of human skill and machine precision, and neither can fully replace the other. Once on the machine, the lettuce enters another critical stage. Inspection. Workers remove anything that doesn't meet strict quality standards. Only the most perfect heads move forward. This part of the process, it's relentless, because one small flaw can mean rejection. It's not just farming anymore, it's selection at a microscopic level. But here's where things take a more serious turn. In places like Salinas Valley and Yuma, Arizona, a large portion of this work depends on immigrant labor. These workers often spend long hours under tough conditions, earning wages that range from minimum pay to around $20 per hour. They work fast, really fast. Conveyor belts don't stop, and neither can they. Every lettuce head must be inspected, trimmed, and packed in seconds. It's physically demanding, repetitive, and often overlooked. And yet, without them, this entire system would struggle to function. Their effort keeps the supply chain alive, delivering fresh produce across the country and beyond. But the reality behind it? Not many people talk about it. The lettuce on your plate might be fresh, but the story behind it is far more complicated. Now, technology is pushing things even further. Advanced machines equipped with robotic arms are entering the fields. These aren't ordinary machines. They use sensors to detect each lettuce head with incredible accuracy. Sharp blades cut them cleanly, while soft grips place them onto conveyor belts without causing damage. It's precise, almost surgical. And yes, it raises a question: how much of this process will remain human in the future? After harvesting, the lettuce is rushed to processing facilities. Speed is everything here. Inside, the leaves are cut into different forms, diced, shredded, or sliced, depending on where they're headed. Restaurants, supermarkets, ready-to-eat meals, everything starts here. Then comes cleaning. And this part is more intense than you'd expect. High-pressure water systems blast away dirt, bacteria, and impurities. Nothing is left to chance. After that, the lettuce enters centrifugal dryers spinning at controlled speeds to remove moisture without damaging the leaves. It's a delicate balance. Too fast and the leaves tear, too slow and they spoil. Finally, the lettuce reaches packaging. Some are packed individually. Others mix with ingredients like shredded carrots, microgreens, or red cabbage to create ready-to-eat salads. Everything is sealed in climate-controlled environments designed to lock in freshness. By the time it reaches you, it looks simple, clean, and ready, but now you know the truth. This isn't just lettuce, it's a product of precision, pressure, human effort, and rapidly advancing technology, all working together behind the scenes. And this is just the beginning. The United States remains one of the largest producers of lettuce in the world, with an annual production of over 8 billion pounds. But here's the part most people never stop to think about. This entire supply is heavily concentrated in just two places, California and Arizona. Together, they produce nearly 90% of the nation's lettuce. Why? Because the conditions are almost too perfect. Fertile soil, controlled climates. It's like these regions were engineered for mass production. And with a market value crossing $2 billion every year, lettuce isn't just a crop. It's a powerful economic machine quietly driving the agricultural industry. But what makes it even more interesting is how deeply lettuce is woven into everyday American life. Salads aren't just food here, they're a statement, a symbol of healthy living. From quick lunches to full meals in high-end restaurants, salads have taken center stage. And they're not limited to one lifestyle. They adapt. Vegetarian, vegan, low carb, there's a version for everyone. Simple on the surface, but incredibly strategic in how they fit into modern diets. Fresh, flexible, and packed with nutrients. This is why salads have become a staple across the country. But now comes the real question. Everything you've seen so far is about harvesting and processing. What about the beginning? How does something this delicate survive long enough to become part of such a massive system? This is where things get even more fascinating. It all starts with something incredibly small, a single seed. But the process? Far from simple. Planting trays are first filled with nutrient-rich coconut coir, carefully leveled to create the perfect base. Then an automated seeding machine steps in, placing one precise seed into each cell. No mistakes, no overlap. After that, a controlled spray of water begins the germination process. And within moments, these trays are moved into greenhouses, where the real transformation begins. Inside these greenhouses, nothing is left to chance. Temperature, humidity, water, everything is monitored and controlled. Automated irrigation systems deliver just the right amount of moisture over and over again. For about 30 days, these fragile seedlings are nurtured under near-perfect conditions. And once they're strong enough, they're moved out. But not gently. They're loaded, transported, and sent straight into the next phase. Back on the farm, the process shifts gears again. Semi-automatic planting machines take over. Workers sit behind these machines, feeding trays into the system with precise timing. The machines respond instantly, placing each seedling into the soil at perfectly measured intervals. No randomness. No wasted space. It's fast, calculated, and incredibly efficient. This is where speed meets precision. And once planted, the real challenge begins. Growing lettuce isn't passive. It's a constant battle to maintain control. Irrigation, weeding, pest management. Everything is automated, but nothing is simple. And here's a critical detail. Lettuce is 90% water, meaning without consistent hydration, the entire crop can fail. So advanced irrigation systems step in, using rotating sprinklers that mimic natural rainfall. It looks gentle, but it's carefully engineered to deliver exact amounts of water without damaging the soil. At the same time, pest control systems are working in the background. GPS-guided spray machines move across the fields, distributing pesticides with extreme accuracy, just enough to protect the plants, but controlled enough to reduce environmental impact. It's a balance that has to be maintained constantly. And then comes another overlooked step, weed control. Automated machines equipped with rotating blades cut through unwanted growth while simultaneously reshaping the soil around the lettuce. This strengthens the plant's base and improves root development. Again, it looks simple, but every movement is calculated. After 60 to 70 days of nonstop care, monitoring, and adjustments, the result is a fully grown lettuce field. Green, uniform, and ready. But getting here? It's anything but easy. Every stage is controlled, every risk managed. And yet, there's another twist. Not all lettuce is grown in open fields anymore. Greenhouse farming is rapidly changing the game. Instead of moving seedlings outside, they're kept inside advanced controlled environments. Once the first leaves appear, machines transfer the plants from trays onto floating systems. Yes, floating. These plants grow on rafts that sit on nutrient-rich water, absorbing everything they need directly through their roots. This method isn't just different, it's more efficient. Planting density increases by up to 10%, meaning more production in less space. Roots hang directly into the solution below, while the leaves receive 10 to 12 hours of light daily, either from the sun or specialized LED systems. Temperature and humidity, fully controlled. The result? Lettuce that looks almost too perfect. Vibrant color, crisp texture, spotless white roots, and no exposure to soil-based diseases. After about a month, it's ready. Fast, clean, and consistent. From there, automated conveyors move the lettuce straight to packing stations. Workers carefully bag, label, and prepare each piece for shipping. But here's the catch. This type of lettuce often costs twice as much as traditional crops. Higher price, but also higher quality. This closed-loop hydroponic system represents something bigger. It's a glimpse into the future of agriculture. Efficient, controlled, and constantly evolving. And once harvesting is complete, the cycle resets. Fields are cleaned, soil is prepared, and everything starts again, over and over. So now you've seen the full picture, from a tiny seed to the final product sitting on your plate. Billions of pounds produced every year, powered by technology, human effort, and a system that never slows down. But the next time you pick up a simple salad, you might pause for a second, because now you know it was never just lettuce. If you found this journey surprising, drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more untold stories from the world of agriculture. We'll see you in the next video.